Hi, and just a small starting video to explain what I'm planning on doing. First off, I've got a car I restored last week. It's the Renault Clio from Barago, and it was originally in Pepsi decals, which were torn and ragged about, etc. as kids do. It was restored with a basic duplicolor spray can and fixed decals from a model kit, which also gave the seat belts for inside it. Unsure whether they'll be visible on this, but quite a nice little car, saved from a boot sale. And next, we've got a little Matchbox Mini, which, as I got it, was without interior, and one of the rivets had been broken open. So I'm suspecting somebody, we get back, use the actual interior off it for another build themselves, but I actually got a Hot Wheels Mazda and took the interior out of that and used it on this one. Next up is a Matchbox Ford Cortina Mark II, which basically just sprayed gold to look like the 1600E, but the actual model is the GT model, the two-door GT, which I'm unsure if you can see on the rear wing there, there's the GT badge. And lastly, I did a bit of a custom job on a Matchbox Gruesome Twosome. I put some Hot Wheels wheels on it of a Grizzly Corvette, and also filled the bonnet up and buffed the screen back to original condition. But my thoughts are, I'll leave car there for a second, I'm considering doing things like restores, tips, reviews, like any discoveries I find using products, which I've got an idea coming up for the like Spectra paints they used. I've discovered one today, been playing with it, and I'll be using it further. I've discovered it will work to give a Spectra effect, and it should work out more economical than buying the Spectra paints. Anyway, that's a quick, no nonsense I suppose video for a first effort. I'll be improving as I get Movie Maker, because it's an absolute pain now. It doesn't come loaded on your PCs, you have to get the software after, which is another money making scam I suppose. But there we go, such is life. Thank you.